Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Today I will present about our project for the subject additive manufacturing. For the title project is FORDABLE COMMODE chair for disabled people by using 3D printer. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Norizan. My teammates, first Muhammad Afiq bin Muhammad Noor, second Muhammad Akasha bin Rocky, third Muhammad Khairul Ikwan bin Nordin, and lastly is Arif Shafi bin Ajmi. Okay, this slide is about the introduction. First, a common chair is for people recovering from an accident or illness and are unable to go to the bedroom. It is meant to serve as a second toilet. The chair are portable, which is no water flow like normal toilet, so that this chair cannot be flushed like usually. The common chair also enables the efficient treatment of the patient there without moving the patient to the bedroom. Next, for patient unable to stand or walk, enhanced common chair stability may be an important factor in the realization of greater flexibility. The last is, this is a need to conduct a project to improve the design existing common chair by using the enhancement of additive manufacturing with 3D printing. Next is the problem statement for our project. First is several issues and observation about existing design of common chair. Material selection and process of 3D printing will be defined. Second, all design uses traditional operation for plastic part like injection molding that has high weight compared with the new design by using the fused deposition modeling (FDM) operation. Third, the material that used for all product is polypropylene (PP) compared with the new design that use ABS material. ABS is a common thermoplastic polymer typically used in 3D printers. Last, to improve the design existing common chair by using the enhancement of additive manufacturing with 3D printing. Okay, next for this slide is about objective and scope project. First objective is to improve the knowledge on additive manufacturing through literature review of common chair, redesign the design requirement and type of material selection involved. Second, analyze and improve existing common chair based on design for additive manufacturing principle and approach. And third, develop soft skill through teamwork, presentation and lifelong learning. Okay, the next is scope of project. The first scope is study and review the existing common chair and develop process through 3D printing by using FDM process. Second, redesign the common chair by using CATIA version 5 software. And third, develop common chair by using 3D printing with ABS material.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Muhammad Noor. My matrix number is B0517101122. Well, we will continue to next content of this project, which is Chapter 2 Literature Review. This chapter comprises the literature review on the affordable commode chair for disabled people by using 3D printer. All of this information has been extracted from various sources such as articles, journals, and related books. In this table, what could be found from commode chair? First, from Howies 1973, the title is Commode Chair. The summary of this journal is overview of commode chair, description of commode chair. The second one is Rochelle and Ginsburg 1989. The title is Commode Chair with Bale and Seat Support. The summary is overview commode chair, background of the title, and then the third one is Bickel 1934. The title is commode chair, and the summary of this of the journal is type of commode chair for spinal cord injured. And the last one is data 2013. The title is shower chair / walker combination. The summary is overview of shower chair walker combination. Okay, for the next slide, research for disabled people. The first one is Litton and Simi 1998. The title is Claiming Disability, Knowledge and Identify. The summary of this journal is Overview of Disabled People. The second one is April C. and Bogdak N 1992. The title is A Diagnostic Sign of Painful Lumbar Disc on Magnetic Resonance Imaging. The summary is back pain injury, cause, risk factor of back pain. The last one is Tyler D. and James E. A. 2011. The title is An Evidence-Based Guideline for Unattended Pregnancy Prevention. The summary is pregnant woman and the meaning of pregnancy. The last one is title for research advanced manufacturing. The first is Bertolgi M 1998. The title is Rapid Prototyping to Rapid Manufacturing and summary is Overview of Advanced Manufacturing. Next, we continue to the Advanced Manufacturing. Second one is Chen J 1994. The title is Implementing Advanced Manufacturing Technology. The summary is Overview of Advanced Manufacturing. And the next title is Fuse Deposition Modeling FDM. First is Bellini A and Guseri S 2003. And the title is Mechanical Characterization of Part Fabricate Using FDM. The summary is Overview of FDM, Layer Production. Second, Bethel DM 1998. Title is From Rapid Prototyping to Rapid Manufacturing. To Overview of FDM, Rapid Prototyping to Rapid Manufacturing. And last one is Chawla KK 1998. Composite Material Science and Engineering. The summary is composite material that are using.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Tariq Ikwan, and today I will talk about the methodology. What is the reverse engineering? Reverse engineering is an effective strategy for developing a new model to discover and improve the feature of consumer goods. Next, as such, choose a redesigned model by SolidWorks 3D. Program will apply reverse engineering to create a practical model to include the complete COMMODE chair requirement. Next is used as a learning aid with multiple methods to assemble, inspect, and evaluate the project or process for replication. In comparison, the principles involved in the manufacturing are discovered in order to create something similar. This is the figure for the reverse engineering mechanical component. This model was designed to accommodate a disabled person with a gross weight of 120 kg, including equipment and body weight, according to the lightweight COMMODE chair structure. The first step is component, and we measure of part of geometry. Next, geometrical model. We apply the engineering refinement, and we continue to manufacturing planning. Lastly, we make a production. This is for general composition of reverse engineering modeling and analysis. The first phase is divided into 5 steps. Investigation, prediction, hypothesis are included in the first step. The second step is a concrete experience. In the third step is a function, and the fourth step is a constraint of engineering, and the fifth step is a form of the characterization. The second phase is focused on the two steps that are used for a model creation, analysis and calibration, include concept model and system analysis. The third stage is focused on the reconstruction of the product from the reverse engineering result and remodeling process. The redesign process consists of parametric redesign that is used to evaluate the concept model of optimization, and additive redesign that use product part and sub-assemble, and an original redesign that is used to certify consumer specification. What is the commode chair? This is the old design for the commode chair. Commode chair is a portable toilet which have no running water, meaning that they cannot flush. Commode chair or compact commode are often referred to as bedside commode. The mechanism of the product is a type of chair used by anyone who need assistance going to the toilet because of cancer, accident, or inability. In order to a quick access to the bathroom or tub, a commode chair often has a wheel. There is a removable tail and flip-back armrest on the most common seat. Next, it can be put at the bedside of patient who is limited. This is the bill of material for old design commode chair. We have adjustable leg, armrest, backrest, seat, bucket, handlebar, and support bar. The material for this product is stainless steel, PU-foam, and plastic. And for the cost estimation, you can see here the total cost is around about 386 and 90 cents. This for the one commode chair. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Akasha Biroki, and now I will continue on discussing the methodology of the new design for this project. This methodology for new design for this project is focusing on fabricating the product by using the additive manufacturing. Some part of the existing commode chair is modified to improve the commode chair that will be produced by using the additive manufacturing. As you can see from the picture below, the design of the toilet seat and the bar of the steel is modified. We add on the shape from oval shape of the toilet seat and the U bar. We add some curve for the user to easy access when cleaning purpose. Next is that the part will manufacture by using AM. From the commode chair, there is some part that cannot be producing by using the additive manufacturing, such as the body frame, because the body frame is made of the steel, and if we using by the AM, it will be fractured. So we choose the three part that can be fabricated using the additive manufacturing. First part is the waste bowl, then toilet seat, and we fabricate the toilet cover by using the additive manufacturing. On the justification of material selection, we are using the acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or we call it ABS as its short form, because this ABS is lightweight and has good impact of strength. And the glass transition of temperature of ABS plastic is 105 degrees Celsius. This material also has low melting point, and it is affordable and easy to purchase in the market. This material have good mechanical and physical properties, and lastly, its density is low, so it will give a good advantage for the material, as when we print, the part is light and as the part by using it. As you can see on the right slide is the properties of ABS, which is explained on the tensile strength, elongation, structural modulus, density, melting point, biodegradable, glass transition, and the price. And for the manufacturing process for commode chair part, we are using additive manufacturing, and the process of additive manufacturing that we choose is diffuse deposition modeling, which is we call short form FDM. As you can see here, there is some parameter that we will choose when printing this product. For the printing temperature, we will use 230 degrees Celsius, and for build blade temperature, we will set on 80 degrees Celsius. and the printing speed is 60 millimeter per second. For the size diameter of the filament, we will use the filament on the size 1.75 millimeter, and for the nozzle diameter, we will use 0.35 millimeter, and lastly, the layer thickness of each layer, we will use 0.2. And lastly, for the methodology on the new product is the process flow for FDM. This FDM has 5 main processes that we need to know before using the FDM. Firstly is to create the build file. Then we use the CAD software. Then we convert to STL file and use for the meshing software to mesh the product and to check the material before we enter the machining process. Then we need to prepare the machine. For as example, we need to preheat the bed sheet and also preheat the nozzle so we can print the material smoothly during the material extrusion. And then we can the build part process, which is the printing process that print layer by layer until the complex shape is done. And the fourth process is by the removing the part and part support. When printing the product, there is support part that will support the product to avoid the product from falling, and this will help to improve the quality of the final finished product. But we need to remove the part product after the printing process. This product remove can use the cutter, and next we need to sanding the part product. And lastly, the post-processing process. For this material, the post-processing process we need is less because the quality of final finish is good, and we just maybe we need to sanding the part that have the part support. So that's all for the process flow FDM.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Arish Hafi Bazmi. So today I like to present about result and discussion. Okay, from the result, it showed the acrylonitrile butadiene strain ABS have a maximum stress before failure 0.128 MPa. The results show the ability of ABS more than 0.1066 MPa. From the both result, it can be concluded that the maximum allowable stress for ABS is 0.1298 MPa, more better than PU foam material, which is have a maximum allowable stress 0.1066 MPa. Next slide is about new design of COMMODE chair used 3D printing. From the current toilet seats of COMMODE chair, the part is produced from injection molding process. The new design of the toilet seat is from ABS and use 3D printing process that can be increase the improvement of the toilet seat and reduce cost. Next slide is about safety factor and equivalent strength that I got from inverter analysis. Next slide is about feasibility and improvement. 3D printing process has been suggested to produce the toilet seat for COMMODE chair. The main advantage for this process are not chemical post-processing, no corrective resin, and less costly machine and material are needed, which is make a more cost-effective process. So, lastly, the most appropriate metal adhesive on the substrate, the economic performance, low thermal expansion coefficient, and fast molding and excellent appearance after planting. Economical and mechanical justification. As has been shown at the result, it can be proved that by using ABS as material of product, the product will be improved the maximum stress more than 0.1066 MPa, which have benefit of good ultimate tensile strength and tensile yield strength. ABS has advantage of mechanical properties. So this is my last slide about conclusion, analyze and improve existing COMMODE chair based on design for additive manufacturing principle that approach to achieve after the complication of the result FEA analysis, including tensile strength and tensile yield strength. The results show the tensile strength and tensile yield strength for ABS material is high and good compared with old material. The project has been done perfectly, but there was need some improvement to get more better result. The first improvement is using another software like NC software that has many type of analysis that can be applied in this project. The next improvement in this project need to be done structure analysis of design product. The improvement can be improved the new design of the chair compared to the existing design that has been achieved. Thank you. That's all for me.